Each of the projects that we've talked about today directly benefited the community, whether it was money was raised for the pool, or you had cleaner yards at the end, or there's better coordination between the different groups. Those are all benefits direct to the community. But each one of these projects also indirectly benefited the community by making it stronger. This created those experiences that brought people together across different groups to each play a meaningful role. So together, these experiences provide indirect benefits like common ground, a sense of pride and ownership, proving that everyone can help to save your town, engendering that sense of community responsibility and putting some deposits into that social capital bank account that has been depleted by any past conflict. So remember, you build a stronger community through experiences that bring people together across different groups to each play a small but meaningful role.